Are you struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away? No matter how clean you eat or how hard you exercise, you're not alone. Belly fat is one of the most difficult types of fat to lose. But what if I told you there's a simple morning trick that can help you burn fat faster and give your metabolism the boost it needs before you even eat your first bite of the day? Of course, if you have any underlying health conditions, be sure to consult your doctor before trying these steps. Belly fat is stubborn because it's closely tied to hormones like cortisol and insulin. Stress, poor sleep, and even the wrong timing of meals can cause your body to store fat around the midsection. Unlike fat in other areas, belly fat is more metabolically active and harder to burn. 3-step morning trick for belly fat loss. Step 1. As soon as you wake up, step outside and get some direct morning sunlight, at least 10 to 15 minutes. Sounds crazy, right? How could sunlight possibly help you burn belly fat? Well, a research study from the University of Alberta in Canada found that people who regularly expose themselves to sunlight between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. for just 10 to 15 minutes experienced noticeable fat loss over time, especially around the belly. The reason? Sunlight helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm, balances hormones like cortisol, and even triggers fat cells, especially those just beneath the skin, to shrink when exposed to natural light. Step 2. After soaking in that morning sunlight, do a quick 5 to 10 minute workout. This doesn't have to be a high-intensity sweat session. In fact, it shouldn't be. Keep it light and focused. Why? Because that morning sunlight you just absorbed has already activated your fat cells, especially the stubborn ones around your belly. A short burst of simple movements now will fire up the fat-burning process even more. You can do basic moves like jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, planks, or even just 5 minutes of light jogging in place. The key is to get your heart rate up slightly and wake your body up gently. These quick movements help mobilize fat as fuel and train your body to burn fat more efficiently throughout the rest of the day. Step 3. Now it's time to lock in that fat-burning mode with a powerful morning fat-burning tea. The morning sunlight has activated your fat cells. Your light workout has fired them up. Now, to keep your body burning fat all day long, this simple tea can make all the difference. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, juice from 1/2 a lemon, a pinch of black pepper. To prepare it, gently warm up your water. Not boiling, just warm. Then add your tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir in the turmeric powder, grated ginger, and squeeze in 1/2 a lemon. Finally, add a pinch of black pepper and stir it all together. Drink this fat-burning tea before breakfast. It will help keep your metabolism active, reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and support digestion, all of which are key for belly fat loss. After drinking the tea, wait at least 1 hour before eating breakfast. And when you do eat, make it a high-protein breakfast. Protein helps you feel full longer and continues the fat-burning process throughout the day. Do this 3-step morning trick consistently, and you'll be amazed at how your body starts to respond. Remember, it's the small, daily habits that create lasting change. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips that actually work. To quickly recap, here's your simple 3-step morning routine to help burn stubborn belly fat. 1. Step outside and get 10 to 15 minutes of morning sunlight to activate your fat cells. 2. Do a quick 5 to 10 minute light workout, like jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, or jogging in place, to fire up your fat-burning engine. 3. Drink the fat-burning morning tea made with warm water, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, ginger, lemon, and black pepper before breakfast. Be consistent with these steps each morning and give it some time, at least a few weeks. Pair this routine with a healthy, balanced diet for the best possible results. You'll be amazed at what your body can do when you give it the right tools and a little patience. Try this for a few weeks and share your results in the comments. We'd love to hear your success stories. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and start your mornings the fat-burning way. Be consistent with these 3 simple steps each morning, And give it time. Try for a few weeks. Combine it with a healthy diet, and you'll start seeing real changes in your belly fat and energy levels. Remember, the key is consistency. Small steps every morning can lead to big transformations. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who needs it. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, science-backed health tips that actually work. Stay healthy, stay focused, and start every morning with purpose. You've got this.